Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalnakshi Swami here. On viewers' request, I'm bringing out how to calculate the levels, monthly levels, weekly levels, and daily levels based on the India VIX. So for the calculation of monthly, weekly, and daily levels, it is based on India VIX. So how many months? For the monthly, we are going to take 12 months. For the weekly, how many weeks are there in 12 months? That will be 52 weeks. In a daily, we'll consider 365 days. That is total 12 months, 365 days. What we are going to do is, first, for monthly calculation, we are going to calculate the square root of the 12 months. That comes to 3.46. You note down, you write down, and you can calculate also on your own. So square root of 12 will come to 3.46 and square root of 52 will come to 7.2 and daily square root of 365 will come to 19.1. What is the VIX? We are going to go there in this Google. We'll search for the Nifty VIX. We are getting 14.7 as the India VIX. So how we are going to calculate the monthly levels? See, first we found out the square root of monthly, weekly, and daily. Later, what we are going to do is, we are going to divide VIX by monthly, 3.46. I'll take the calculator 1 minute. Yeah. Clear. I'll clear it. So 14.7 divided by 3.46. We are getting the value as 4.24. I'm going to write down here. 4.24. So today's VIX is 4.7. I've divided by 3.46. I'm getting the value as 4.24. Okay. Then next is, I'm going to divide, take the calculator, 14.7 divided by 7.2. 7.2, I'm getting 2.04. 2.04. Next, for the daily, what I'm going to do is, I'm dividing 14.7 divided by 19.1. See, these values will remain constant. So only the variable will be VIX. So day to day, you have to take the reading of the India VIX and then you have to calculate like that. Is equal to, I am getting 0.7696. It is equal to 0.77. 0.77. So I got the values. So how I'm going to calculate the levels is, let me go to, okay, let me calculate here itself. What is the close of the Nifty? It has closed around 21,853. For monthly, I'm going to calculate plus 4.24. 4.24. I have to make it as, I'm clicking on the percentage. When I click on the percentage, it gives the percentage value. It is adding 21,853 plus 926. You can see over there. is equal to, it is giving 22,779. 22,779 as weekly high. I got this. Okay. Now, again, I'm calculating the weekly low. Same procedure. 21,853 minus 4.24. 4.24. I'm pressing on the percentage is equal to, I'm getting 20,926. 20,926 as weekly low. I got, no, sorry. This is monthly. Monthly. Oh, I have to change it. Just a mistake. Okay. Monthly. And this to be monthly. What did I get? 20,926. 926 as monthly low. Now, I'm going to calculate the weekly. What I'm going to do, what is the closing level of the Nifty is 21,853 minus, no, plus 2.04. I'll convert into percentage is equal to 22,298. 22,298 as weekly high. Okay. Now I'll go back to the calculator and I'll do the same thing. 21,853 minus, I have to minus to get the low value. 2.04. I'm clicking on the percentage to get the percentage value. So it is minusing 445 is equal to, I'm getting 21,407. 21,407 as weekly low. Okay. Now I'm going to find the daily levels. Same way. What I'm going to do, I've got the India VIX as 14.7 divided by 19.1. 19.1 is equal to, I'm getting 0.7696. So it will come to 0.77%. Oh, it has already, I've calculated the India VIX. So what I have to do, I've got already the value. Now I have to calculate for the daily levels. 21,853 plus 0.77. 0.77. I'm converting into percentage. It gives 168 point. So it gives 22,021. 22,021 as daily high. Same way, I'll go back and calculate for the low level. 21,853 minus 0.77% is equal to 21,680. 21,684 as daily low. So what, see, based on this is how you need to calculate the monthly levels, weekly ranges, and daily ranges. Actually, what happened today in trading, it hit the level of, based on the India VIX, it was around 22,139. See, the level came to, the weekly level came to 22,139 based on the previous day weekly. See, you can see rejection candle over here. In a 5 minutes time frame, it was a shooting star. So pin bar rejection failed. This failed actually. Price action could not go to that level. Then Nifty experienced a huge sell-off. From where it started, it came down to that level. So it finally closed a little bit above the opening level, opening and low level. See, this was the low, 21,812. Even it made lower low, 21,805. And then finally it closed around 21,855. So this is how you need to calculate the monthly, weekly, and daily levels based on the India VIX. So you write down, take the screenshot, write down everything. These values will be constant because these are the square root of 12 months, square root of 52 weeks, and square root of 365 days. So it will be constant. If you know the value, you can extrapolate. You know the value of India VIX by dividing it instantaneously. You can make a calculator also if you know how to do it in Excel. So by automatically feeding the levels, you can get the values for the monthly, daily, and weekly. Okay, friends, I hope this will help you to take out the levels. And this is, I have explained it to you in every detail. It may help you all. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.